ball. $40.
Alright.
There we go.
That's good.
Now I want a 125 ball or 250 ball in there.
Oh, you're hot.
A minor, there should be a minor here somewhere. At least another 20. If I don't get another ball again,
Come on.
there you go, $50. Oh, that 250 ball just flew by, dude.
Big one.
Is that really all you're gonna give me? Jeez. So, that is a joke. I mean, it's still a good bonus. I mean, 115. No, I agree. There it is. Ah. Come on.
Doing well on my 100.
Yeah.
Nice run.
Oh, look at that monster.
Almost that bad.
I don't know. Got to be pretty good. Look at all these nines, dude. And then the lady here. 77.
$20 to get the bonus now.
We go broke if we don't get another bonus. There it is. Boom. This one could have the major in it. Small balls, probably a $50 bonus. It might have a $125 ball sneaking in there though too. You never know.
Oh, there's a good one.
There's a real good one. Nice. There you go, buddy. Let's get fucking hot.
Big one. Oh, you fucking minor.
Give me a made minor at least. Fuck. God damn, you're hot. That's a good fucking bonus right there, dude. Let me get it on the camera.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, nice.
Give me another one.
There you go.
Oh, keep me alive. Major.
Not bad, 57.50.
Major. Oh,
It's a good bonus.
oh yeah, it is. What, 100?